Hello, hi, this is Leo from Bonjour Solar. And today I'm going to show you a training of the parallel connection of our IMH5048 hybrid inverter. So you can see right now we have 1, 2, 3, 3 hybrid inverter. And then we have already connected the parallel connection of the AC in, AC out, PV in, and the DC in. So this connection is okay. So about the AC in, AC out, so you can take a reference from our Bonjour Solar user guide, user manual, and then it shows how to connect the AC in, AC out, and the DC in and the loading. And secondly, we need to connect the communication connection. So communication connection, we will use this cable. Communication, we have one communication cable in each cartoon of the inverter. So right now we have 3 inverter. We need to connect 3 inverter in parallel. So we need to connect the first inverter to the second inverter, and then the second inverter to the third inverter, and then the one to the third. So we make the communication connection like this. So it seems a little complicated, but right now I'm going to show you how to make it. So you can come here to see. So we use this one. This is the male connection. We connect the first inverter here and then lock it. So this one is okay. Male already connect the first inverter, and then another port. Another way. So this cable. This is another cable. We connect with the number 2 inverter. So we lock it. Okay. 1 second, we lock it. All right. And then this is another cable to connect the number 2 inverter and to number 3 inverter. We make the same here. And then lock it. And another port. Another port, you can, from here, you can see, and then we connect the third, number 3 inverter. And then lock it. So right now we still have one cable. We still have one communication cable because each inverter we have one communication cable. So the last cable is to connect the number 1 and number 3. So we start with number 3. From number 3, and then we cross over here to the number 1 inverter. Lock it. So right now, all the communication cable connection are ready. Number 1 inverter number 1, number 2, and the inverter number 3. So I think we show you the connection like this will be more clear. If you cannot understand the communication connection diagram like this, I just show you how to make it. Okay, and you may find there is one jumper, one small accessory like this. There is one small accessory we call the cable jumper inside the cartoon of each inverter. What's this? This is for parallel. If you parallel inverter, for better communication, you need to connect the cable jumper. So how can we connect the cable jumper? Normally, for example, if we have 1, 2, 3, if we connect 3 pieces in parallel, we need to install the jumper in number 1 and number 3. So that means the 2 inverters with the long distance, we need to connect the jumper to better communication So for example, if we have 6 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to install the jumper in number 1 and number 6. So this is very easy to understand. So right now I'm going to show you how to make the jumper. Okay, right now when we connect with the inverter, once we connect the communication cable, once we turn on the inverter, 3 pieces inverter, you can see there is an arrow of number 24. Number 24. So if we want to set the parallel connection, we need to first of all turn off the inverter, and then we push the enter for a few seconds, and then we choose number 27. So you can see here we confirm. Here, because the default setting is single, we need to set it parallel. If we want to output single phase for 3 inverter, so we can choose the parallel here and confirm. So this is for the first inverter setting, and then we do the second inverter setting also. We turn it off, and then we push enter, and then we choose number 27 again. Default also single, we move to parallel, confirm, and then access. And then the last one, the number 3, also we turn it off, and then push enter. "27". Default also single, we put it parallel. Okay, access. So right now all 3 inverter, we already set the number 27 setting as the PRL parallel. So right now we are going to turn them on all together. We turn on the number 1, turn on the number 2, turn on the number 3. So we can wait about 10 seconds. Now they are starting, they are checking the communication. And then you can see right now there is no alarm, no error from the inverter. And then they have the output. You can see right now they have the output, 210 volt, 210 volt. And the 5, this one also, 210 volts. So we can check the parallel situation of these 3 inverter. We can check from the number 1 inverter first. We can push the down to the P11. P11. You can see this one here, PRL, that means parallel, already parallel. And then S2, that means this is the slave number 2. And then we check this one inverter. This is PA11 and then also parallel, okay. And then AO, that means the master. This one is the master. And we can check final one, the 3 inverter. And this one also parallel, and the S1, that means this is a slave 1. So why this one is master, this one is S2, this one is S1? Once we make the communication, the 3 inverters will choose the master automatically. So that is doesn't matter. No matter this one is master or this one or this one, it's no problem. Right now they all parallel. So they are parallel already, and then they output single phase. Okay, and then if we want to modify as the 3 phases output, how should we connect? Right now I'm going to show you. So the step, we need to turn off first, turn off the inverter first, and then we choose the enter for a few seconds. We choose also number 27. And then right now we need to set this one as 3 phase 1, because if we want to set 3 phases output, we have a phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So we need to choose this one as the phase 1, P1, 3P1, confirm. And then okay. And the second inverter also, we turn it off. And then choose number 27. modify as 3P2 as the phase 2, and then as is. Okay, and then the final one, also we turn it off, and then enter. T7 again. So this one should be 3P3, phase 3 output, and then X6. So right now, we are going to turn it on one by one. Turn it on the first one, turn it on the third one, and then the last one. So right now we can check if our 3 phases setting are okay. So we push the down. So we check the number P7, P11 also. P11. So right now this one is the AO. That means this is the master. This is master, and then the 3 phase 1. That means that this one output is phase 1. And then we check this one. Three P2, that means already this is phase 2 output, and this is a slave 2 inverter. And then we check this one, P11. This one output is 3 phase 3. Number 3 phases output, S1 this one means slave 1 inverter. So this is the output. This is parallel inverter setting. We are going to show you. So sometimes for the single phase output, it will be easy. No matter which one is the master, no matter which one is phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, because they only single phase output, so altogether. But for the 3 phases output, is a little complicated. You need to separate phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. This is very important. You must make the well selection for phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So that will be better for you for the AC output connection and AC input connection also. So this will be very important. Okay, hope this video can help you to make the connection of the solar inverter parallel connection. Thank you, and then hope we can see you next time. Bye-bye.